Alright. Bitch, I will fucking drive up to Minnesota. I don't give a fuck. Oh, bitch, I fucking grew up in Iowa. It's almost like that. I will teach you Southern Canadians what's up. Yeah, but you don't want to be. Yeah, you don't want to be a part of that, though. I mean, USA. You don't want to be part of the fucking like universal healthcare system and fucking syrup-based currency. I think. I don't know. I don't hang out up there. I hang out down here where the dollar is the fucking. That's what fucking gets shit going. Yes. We all know that. We know that. Post it if you. Hold on, let me go to the forums. God damn, all these people talking about shit. I would put that on the Battlefield 4 forums. Yeah. I think. Well, it's because it's Battlefield 4 based.